Okay, so you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how we help restaurants just like you. Well, the truth is our program helps put bums on seats in your venue. How, you may ask? Well, the truth is if I had this system when I was running hospitality venues, I would have been so happy. We've been able to help all sorts of venues from ice creameries to large chain restaurants. You name it, we've been able to help put people into the restaurant for the venue themselves. How do we do it? We use a range of technology and marketing know-how and savvy that we've been involved with for the last 10 years to help make that work. So here's the big picture. This is exactly what our program does do for you, okay? So firstly, we show you trackable ROI, return on investment. How much money have you been spending and how much money are you making from that spend, okay? That's measurable. We also bring in new customers for you. Of course, that's measurable for you as well. We build a database of hungry customers for your business. Now, of course, you can measure that anytime you like as well. Our program also increases reviews of your business. Who wants reviews? Well, we all do. We have a very special program to help us increase the reviews. So when a happy customer comes to your restaurant, you want to capture them as soon as you can and get them to leave a review. We do exactly that for you. We also increase page likes on your Facebook page and engagement through your posts. Of course, that's all measurable as well. The other things that our program does do is increase brand awareness throughout your community, and we increase the customer service by helping answer questions through your Facebook page. And of course, the best part about all of this is that these results are viewable by you in real time. Essentially, you're looking over our shoulder as we work every single day to make your business a success. You can peer in and look at the results anytime you like, 24/7. It's all available to you. Now, what does this program not do? Well, I tell you what it doesn't need, and that's costly software. So you certainly don't need to be spending money on software you're not going to use ever again. It does not create extra work for the manager or the owner of the venue, which is great. And even better still, it doesn't create any extra work for the staff that are working in your venue already. And there is no need for staff to be trained in complex systems or crazy loyalty programs which just get thrown out because of mass confusion. So there's no need to do that. All of this is completely hands-free from a venue level. So if that's something that really interests you and you'd like to join us on a very intimate webinar, we have about 8 to 10 people max on our webinars. We'll show you this system. We'll give you a run through. We're going to show you a demo, exactly how it works. In fact, you can play with it and see how this system works, see how easy it is from a customer's perspective and also the venue operator's perspective, and see the case study that we share where we show you what sort of results we can get for you. So if that interests you and you'd like to be a part of that little webinar, and there's no obligation, of course, you can jump on, look down below, you can enter your name and your email address, and we'll send you details of when that next webinar is. We hope to see you on that very soon.